All right, we're recording the line at 811 West Etruria. This is, let's see, what's our date today? Tuesday the 16th of March. This is a recording I'm making after we've cleaned the line or we excavated a section of it, replaced a broken section, and then ran a jetter to clean the line. What we're doing right now is we're sitting down here in the combined kitchen and side sewer section of the pipe. So this is after the end of where the two come together. This section of pipe's already been lined with a sewer liner by a strictly sewer, I believe, a number of years ago. So right here is where the kitchen line then connects to the main sewer trunk line. So we're going to come back from this point. We'll zero out our footage here and come back into here. This is concrete pipe. It's very aggregate along the bottom there, you can see. As we get back in here, you can see it's getting real gnarly and broken up. And we come out of the pipe there. Coming back. There you can see there's not even any pipe along the bottom there, that's just dirt. Now we're back out into the dirt, so we're looking at about 27 feet. Well, a little more pipe there before you get back into the dirt. So we're looking at about 30 feet that way. I'm going to pause the video, run the camera upstream, and get a look at the upstream line coming back. Okay, we're continuing the recording now, looking at the kitchen line going upstream from where we dug. I'm all the way as far upstream as I can go. There's a little access point back there. And this is all original 3-inch concrete line again. We're intact up there. There is where the kitchen line ties into the pipe. Right here. We're going to pause the video, locate the spot real quick. Okay, we're continuing the recording now. That's where the kitchen line ties in. Right to the left of our screen, you can see a opening where that ties into our concrete line here. Keep coming. And we don't have a whole lot of structure to the pipe through this section. The bottom of the pipe is gone through about, 4 or 5 feet of that section there. Then you come back into a root and back into some very rough concrete. And out of the pipe there. So back into our plastic section. So there's a good, I think it was about 8 feet. I'll re-look at the video. About 8 feet of pipe there before we get to the kitchen line. That's in very lousy condition. I'm going to end the recording there.